Hi everyone, my name is Mia. I use she, her pronouns, and I'm a peer health educator for Pulse. This presentation is on sleep. We hope by the end of the presentation, you'll have a better understanding of why sleep is so important and have some tools to take away with you that may help you have more restful and fulfilling sleep. We're talking about sleep because it's so important for our physical and mental health. Sleep can really impact our daily functioning as Cal Poly students with really busy schedules. But since we have such packed days, we may also face poor sleep practices and habits. A common challenge college students often face is disrupted sleep-wake cycles. This may mean that we don't have a set sleep routine and our sleep can be interrupted. We may also have habits of pulling all-nighters to study for an exam or to finish assignments. However, if we're not giving our brain enough sleep, it's unable to recover from the previous day, and this decreases our ability to remember what we were studying for those exams. Ultimately, inadequate sleep as college students has detrimental effects on our attention span, mood, and performance. I'm sure many of you feel as if you don't get enough sleep during the school year. One study reported 70% of college students don't sleep a full 8 hours. Cal Poly students report similar patterns to this average. I'm sure many of you have conversations with your classmates or your peers comparing who got the least amount of sleep the night before an exam. As college students, we have a fascination with sleep deprivation. This is called sleep culture. Common sayings from students such as no pain, no gain, the early bird gets the worm, and you can sleep when you're dead makes it seem like we're not supposed to get a lot of sleep. It's no wonder we often leave sleep as our last priority. As a society, we hold the idea that success has to hurt, when in reality, sleeping 8 hours or the amount that your body personally needs is never an indication of poor work ethic. You deserve the sleep that your body needs. Good quality sleep is part of self-care and prioritizing your well-being. Poor sleep can really impact our physical and mental health. Some physical effects poor sleep has on our health are high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. In terms of mental health, short-term, you may experience feeling irritable or exhausted. Lack of sleep will make those minor stressors in your life, like completing a homework assignment, for example, feel really overwhelming. Lack of sleep itself can also become a stressor. Long-term sleep deprivation can contribute to worsening of anxiety or depressive symptoms. Now that we've covered why sleep is so necessary, let's talk about what we mean when we say good, healthy sleep. We'd like to note that this definition of quality sleep is what's recommended by professionals, and we want to acknowledge that everyone's unique when it comes to your body's physical and mental needs. Sleep quality measures how well you sleep, whereas sleep quantity measures how much you sleep. They're both related. The Sleep Foundation defines quality sleep as falling asleep in 30 minutes or less and at least 7 hours of sleep each night. In addition, not waking up in the middle of the night more than once and spending 85% of your time in bed sleeping are also good indicators of quality sleep. Benefits of quality sleep include feeling rested, restored, and energized to tackle your day. For your health, getting enough sleep is important to reduce your risk of getting sick, maintaining a healthy weight, lowering your risk for serious health problems such as diabetes or heart disease, and overall reducing your stress and improving your mood. Now let's look at how we can achieve better quality sleep as college students. One tip that you may have heard before is to have a nighttime routine. Having a routine can help you get better sleep because it reinforces healthy habits and signals your mind and your body that bedtime is near. Another tip is to create a positive sleep environment by making your environment comfortable and relaxing, which ultimately can help you fall asleep quicker and easier. The next tip is to turn off your phone and disconnect from your devices because the blue light coming from screens can keep you up at night by suppressing your body's natural production of melatonin, which is a hormone that helps your body know that it's time to sleep. Our final tip is to separate your study space from your sleeping space. Although I know it's comfy to study in bed, this step will help your brain separate those activities from when it's time to sleep. As a general reminder, your bed should only be used for sleep or sex. Avoid studying, watching TV, or other activities in bed. You can check out these resources to learn a little bit more about what we talked about today. Thank you so much for listening. Please fill out our survey to help us improve our presentations in the future.